Hey, it's Dr. Angelina with Surgicare Arts, Ideal Body Institute, and Georgia Surgicare. Today, we're going to continue our series about pricing of procedures, and we're going to talk about fillers. So, we spoke about Botox before, now we're going to talk about fillers. Fillers in my practice are allergen fillers, are hyaluronic acid type of fillers, meaning they are dissolvable. I prefer to use them for safety reasons. Not saying the other fillers are not good. However, this is my preference, this is my experience, and I get best results for my patients with least complications, and I think the best price. So the common areas for the fillers are cheeks. So we'll love to fill our cheeks. If you look at nasolabial lines, these things, they get more prominent as we get older. To fix them, you don't want to put filler right here. You want to put filler in your cheek, as you see when I do this. See, if I put filler here, this gets better. So you definitely want to start with cheeks if you haven't had filler before, and of course your experienced injector hopefully will guide you in the process. So Voluma is the type of filler that I prefer in a cheek. It basically lasts up to 2 years. Of course, the more you put in, the longer it lasts. So most people will start, maybe 1 or 2 syringes per cheek, and then we do upkeep. And if you do it about once a year, you probably don't need to have that much filler every time, because you still have some filler left in your body. So it's more an upkeep. So you maybe do 1 syringe, on each cheek, or half and half. Everybody's a little different. Everybody's metabolism a little different. But I think in the beginning, you always have a little bit more going in. So a couple syringes of filler in your cheeks can get you a good refreshed look for a more natural result. I don't like to overfill my people. Voluma in my practice costs about $850 a syringe. So if you're doing a package, sometimes around specials, you can get 2 or 3 syringes. And usually, of course, the more you buy, the more likely you can get some free Botox or something else to go with it, and save you some money. Around the lips, I like to use Juvederm Ultra Plus or Valure, and also Volbella can go. Those range about $725 to $825 per syringe. And again, you have to decide what you're gonna do. You're gonna do just 1 syringe, just a little plumpiness to your lips, or do you want to actually have to, see the difference? You want to see a bigger change in your lip? Then you might need to have a couple syringes of filler going in. Do you have enough support around your mouth? In my practice, I do inject around the lips, not just into the lips, to create better support structure for your lip as you get older. And so that's something a little bit more advanced, and you might want to check that out if lip injections alone are not doing you what you wanted to do. Injection to temples, also experienced hands are very good. You don't want to go to do temple injections to the beginners. It's a dangerous area. You have to make sure your doctor knows exactly what they're doing when they're injecting that area. And again, I would start with maybe 1 to 1.5 syringes for both temples. And Juvederm Ultra Plus will work well for that area in my hands. Chin, very good to restore or elevate chin. That helps to pull out some of that underlying skin under the chin area. It can pull out some of the jowls if you restore the chin. And you can also define your jaw with Voluma. Voluma is a great filler for that. Again, per syringe, Voluma is around $850. Other fillers around about $725 to $825 a syringe. So most people will do packages, 3 to 5 syringes. Again, depends how much work we need to do, depends how old you are. The older you get, the more volume loss you get, the more support around your mouth you lose, the more temple prolapse you see. So then you need more syringes. So it can rate you anywhere between, again, $725 for 1 syringe to about $3,000 if you're doing a package of 5 or something like that. Again, do the math. Call me if you have any questions. Contact me on my Instagram at Surgicare Arts or Ideal Body Institute, and of course Facebook, YouTube, and email. We do offer free consultations by telemedicine, so contact us this way. Save you some time, save your drive, and we can get all your answers